think about the WIPO Arbitration and Mediation Center is there, which offers the mediation and arbitration and expert determination for IP disputes. There are specialized rules for a film and media dispute. So, we can say that WIPO, when WIPO is coming, obviously thanks to WIPO for harmonization of the law. IP laws are harmonized because of the WIPO only, that at a international level you are getting a Paris Convention, that one clause, that sentence is very important, you can say that you are getting a treatment like a citizen of that country. So, why this is that enforcement is happening because of WIPO is controlling all the activities internationally. So, obviously when we are talking about a WIPO Arbitration and Mediation Center, obviously that is a wonderful, we can say, the arrangement at an international level. If any such kind of a disputes, cross border disputes arise, probably this is a wonderful arrangement rather going into